What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? Do watch a tutorial video, And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your messenger not sending message. So there's multiple reasons why the messenger is not gonna send messages, and I'm gonna be going through them step by step to show you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, and let's get into the video without any further ado. The first method is make sure to check if your internet is stable, because sometimes due to slow internet connection your message is not being sent, and if it is that problem you need to switch to data or you need to switch to another internet connection. That's the only way. And the other thing is, if messenger is down, or like by that I mean if messenger is under maintenance and you're messaging at that time, then it can also be that problem. To fix that problem you simply need to wait, and to check if it is messenger's fault or not, you can just follow messenger on other platform like their Instagram or the Twitter, or like you can even search in Google writing is messenger down. If it is down at that time, you can't do anything to fix it. You need to wait. But if it is not, then the other way to fix this problem is you need to go to your setting. Once you go on settings, scroll a bit down until you see messenger. Once you see messenger, click on it and make sure all this permission is turned on. And after all this permission is turned on, if it still doesn't send the message, the other thing you can do is, what you want to do is go on general. Once you go on general, scroll a bit down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Click on reset and click on reset network setting. What this is going to do is this is going to reset all the setting of network on your phone, and it's going to make the setting to default. And after doing that, restart your phone and basically open a messenger, try to send a message. It should send a message. If it still doesn't send the message, the other thing you can do is delete your messenger and reinstall it again. Sometimes doing that will fix it, but the last option is to delete and reinstall your messenger. All right, don't do this in the beginning. So yeah, these are the way on how you guys can fix this problem. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.